She is the F-14 Hornet, skidding to a nice stop. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give the thumbs up. This was a 5-hour print on the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. There's the top view of it. And I don't think I'm going to paint this. So, there we go. Very detailed.